while I'm trying to do all of this. So the lights are going on and off. Today has been insane. All right, we are, sorry. Hey, Erica, time to shrink. We're gonna do meal planning. The plan is Tuesday, Costco pulled pork and frozen veggies. Wednesday, chicken monster casserole with mushrooms. Thursday, mini meatloaves with cauliflower rice. That's actually changed to big meatballs stuffed with cheese in their barbecue style, and I am not sure what I'll serve that with. Friday, it was gonna be like a keto pizza bread, and then Saturday, leftovers. Sunday, we'll start a new week. I thought I was gonna be out of town Saturday and Sunday, so I don't really have anything planned, but as of right now, it looks like I'm not gonna be out of town. But anyways, we'll figure that out. Also, we're gonna make sausage balls, bacon, broccoli salad, which turned into broccoli soup instead, egg cups for my son, gluten-free pancakes. I'm gonna try and get those made and frozen for my son. One of my sons, my youngest, is really struggling with tummy stuff. We did about 6 years of paleo, and then we had a house fire, and after the house fire, I don't know, I guess the trauma, I don't know, but I just like stopped cooking healthy food. We just started eating a lot of junk, and that's been, January would be a year. So anyways, it took me about a full year to get back to healthy, back to cooking healthy, but I had reintroduced gluten, and I think that has really messed with his belly. So I'm trying to go gluten-free. So I'm gonna try and make some gluten-free. Hey buddy, what you need? Sorry, back. So anyways, trying to prep some things that he will like. He's really bummed that I'm taking bread back away from him, like regular bread. He really didn't even know what it was, because his whole life he had been, I guess it'd been like 8 years, and he's only 12. So the life he remembers had all been gluten-free until I stopped about a year ago, and he's had some major tummy issues lately, like some major issues. So we are gonna go back to gluten-free. So anyways, prep some of that. I would like to make some sugar-free pralines that I had found a recipe for. I don't know if that'll get done in this week's meal prep or if it'll get done later in the week, but that's definitely on my list. Also, I was thinking about making some keto bagels with some fathead dough. I'm not sure if I'll do that or not. Sometimes it's too much for me and ends up giving me a bellyache, so I don't know why I keep trying to reintroduce that stuff. Never mind, not making that. I think that's it. Groceries were pickup from our local Lowe's grocery store, so I will go through a grocery haul here next. It was a pretty small one, and I just kind of planned stuff from what we had in the fridge and freezer for the most part. Let's go do the grocery haul in 5, 4, 3, 2, 5. I can't do that. Let's go do the grocery haul. All right, y'all, this is my grocery haul for the week. It's relatively small this week. I have some goat cheese for egg casserole, some pepperoni for my little man likes pepperoni. These were the replacement. They didn't have the kind that I ordered. I ordered, you know, the little regular size, and this is what they had to replace it with. Got a couple of Jimmy Dean hot sausage. I'm gonna make some sausage balls. Got some grass-fed ground beef. It was on a really good sale, so I got this. And when I buy the lean like this, I just add bacon fat or whatever when I cook it. This was on really good sale. This is bacon from the smokehouse, so extra smoky bacon. Then I got some turkey sausages. I'm gonna try and make like sausage what am I trying to say? I'm going to put these on like a little stick and dip them into pancake batter and then fry them up and see how that works. So I'm going to try it anyways. My little man, we had tried to get off of gluten-free and his stomach has not been good over these last months. So we're going to go back gluten-free for him. So I was looking for some ideas of things to do for him. So I did get him some just regular gluten-free waffles. I got some gluten-free Bisquick because he likes just the regular pancakes. So I thought we would try that. Some fruit for the kiddos. Sorry, my mind is, I'm scattered today, y'all. Sorry. Some mushrooms for a chicken mushroom monster cheese casserole, some rice vinegar just because I needed it, and I have not tried this sugar-free barbecue sauce yet, but I keep seeing people say that it's a good one, so we're going to try that. A red onion and some yellow onions, heavy whipping cream, which I am completely out of, so I'm so glad to see this. Didn't have coffee today because I was out of heavy whipping cream. And then some eggs.